Death you unremember anything from before the age of 2. The first years of your life are the most important in terms of brain development, but you don't have any personal memories from that time. How does this work? Scientists believe that the reason why we can't remember anything from before the age of 2 is because the hippocampus, which is the part of the brain responsible for forming memories, is not fully developed until we are around 2 to 3 years old. This means that even though we may have experiences, they aren't stored in a way that we can access them later on. 9. False memories are surprisingly easy to create. You may have heard of false memories before, but did you know just how easy they are to create? One study published in the Journal of Applied Research found that simply asking leading questions can be enough to create a false memory. In the study, participants were asked to recall as many details as they could remember about a childhood event. Some participants were asked questions that implied that something had happened, while others were asked neutral questions. The results showed that those who were asked leading questions were more likely to report having experienced the event, even though it never actually happened. No. 8. Déjà vu is a memory glitch. Déjà vu is a French term that means already seen. When you experience déjà vu, you feel as though you have already experienced the current situation, even though, this is not possible. Some scientists believe that déjà vu is caused by a glitch in your memory system. This glitch causes your brain to process new information very quickly, which gives you the feeling that you have already experienced the situation before. Number 6, your memory peak is in your mid-20s. Our memory abilities change as we age, and research suggests that our peak memory capacity occurs in our mid-20s. This means that we are most likely to remember things clearly and accurately during this time of our lives. However, it is important to note that everyone's memory abilities are different, and some people may have better memories than others at any age. 6. Recollections become stronger with each telling. Have you ever noticed how your memories seem to get better and more vivid with each time you recall them? This phenomenon is known as the reminiscence bump, and it occurs when you remember more about an event each time you think about it. This happens because our brains are constantly reconstructing our memories and adding new details to them. So, the more you think about a memory, the more detailed and vivid it becomes. 5. You attract your memories. Ever wonder how you seem to attract certain types of memories? For example, do you always remember where you were and what you were doing when something significant happened? Or do you seem to forget important events that were less emotionally charged? It turns out that our brains are wired to prioritize certain types of memories over others. Our memories of emotionally charged events are more vivid and easier to recall because our brains recognize their importance. On the other hand, memories of less significant events are often lost or forgotten. Number 4, your experiences are stored in your body. Where do you think your memories are stored? If you answered in your brain, you'd be partially right. Research has shown that our memories are stored throughout our entire body, not just in our brain. Our memories are stored in our muscles, organs, and even our bones. This means that even if you change your hairstyle or get a tattoo, you'll still be able to remember that experience because the memory is stored in your body. No. 3. You can improve your memory. Many people believe that memory loss is inevitable as we age, but this is not necessarily true. Research has shown that we can take steps to improve our memory and maintain strong recall abilities as we grow older. One way to improve your memory is to stay mentally active by challenging yourself with new tasks and learning new things. Another way to improve your memory is to engage in regular physical exercise. Exercise has been shown to improve blood flow to the brain, which can help boost memory function. No. 2. Memories are not static. When we remember something, we often think of it as a fixed and unchanging event in time. However, this is not the case. Our memories are constantly being rewritten and updated based on new information and experiences. This means that every time we remember something, it is a new construction based on the available evidence rather than a perfect reproduction of the original event. No. 1. Your memory can be hacked. Did you know that there are ways to hack your memory and make it work for you rather than against you? By understanding how memory works, we can develop strategies to improve our ability to remember things. For example, we can use mnemonic devices such as acronyms and rhymes to help us remember information. We can also improve our memory by getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and managing stress. This was a look at 10 mind-blowing facts about human memory. How many of these facts surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. See you next time.